and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing the Jura C9 espresso machine. And let's go ahead and pour a shot. I usually like to dump out that little pre-infusion water, so it's waters down the shot a little bit. And then let's just test the cappuccino setting. We don't have the frothing one, but so the steam is working well. So good to go. Thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.